Welcome to my channel Correct Code. So today we are going to learn how to create a project in Ionic. So for that we need to open a terminal, and then it's better let's create a uh, like folder, and then inside that folder we will create a project. So now I am going to desktop. So I just went to desktop. Here I am going to create a directory, like sudo mkdir uh, ionic projects. So now we have got the directory. If you can see on my desktop, you can see the ionic projects directory, right? And now we will go to cd space ionic hyphen projects. Done. So now we are into ionic projects folder. Now we are going to create a project. Now for that you need to type sudo ionic start, enter. Every great app needs a name, absolutely. So now we will name it universal name. We can name it as a hello world, enter. Here it will ask you options. You want to which framework you want, Angular framework or React. So I am choosing Angular framework, and Angular is bit easier than React also. So Angular is better choice. I am selecting the Angular. Now here it will ask, let's pick the perfect starter template. So here it's going to ask uh, starter templates. So there are many templates here. So select one of them, tabs, side menu, blank, my first tab, conference. Okay, so from this you can select one of the template. So right now I am selecting the tabs, enter. That's it. See, you can see there starter tabs, preparing directory, it's creating the directory, downloading and extracting tab starter, done. So installing dependencies. So this is all the process. Now it's installing everything under that particular folder. Once it's installed, we need to go inside hello world directory. Okay, so this is the process. So this is the process. So would you like to use? If you want, you can make it yes or no. Just click no. Now it's installed. Okay, it's saying see ionic CLI update available. So if we want, we can update it, or else we can use like this. The package name has changed from ionic to @ionic CLI. So we need to change it. For that we need to uninstall ionic, and then we need to install the ionic CLI. Okay, before going to that, just go to the hello world folder. So now let's see all folders are what folders has been came. See, we have got angular.js. These all folders were there inside that particular hello world. Okay, now let's run this project. Okay, sudo ionic serve. So it's starting the port. Now it will open, it will run in the browser. As of now I install the browser. In the next version I will explain how to add platforms of Android and iOS. So now it's installing everything. We can see bingo. So we have got the application ready. So we have created a tabs, right? So tabs 1, tab 2, tab 3. You can see here it's changing. This is tab 2, this is tab 1. So compiled successfully. This is how we need to create a project in Ionic. I hope you guys understood. If you have any doubts, you can mention in the comments. I will update you. Until then, thank you. Thank you all for learning, and don't forget to like and subscribe the channel.